we have had 2 sessions of Node-RED introduction. The first session, we wrote an IoT simulator. So the device get the temperature and humidity and display to the screen. In the second session, we make the connection. We made the device connect to the IoT platform. And here you go. So now after we deploy and set up the time interval to every 3 seconds. We can see the data is come to the debug. In this session, I would like to introduce how can we represent this data, present this data to the websites. There is a problem. So this is the server side, Node.js server side program. And then how can we get another process to pick it up and pick the data up? And remember, the data is continuous and the small sized IoT data. The typical way to do this is using the WebSocket and to get this continuous data. Let's see how do we do that. There is a very nice example from the website, this website. So let's take a look. How do they do? Copy, Control I, Control V, input. Okay, we get it here. Now we also get the time interval a little bit small and shut down the debug. Okay, let's deploy. Application client is not connected, that's fine. So we are going to connect to the HTTP GET. Okay, we can see the website is coming and then the timestamp is keep going. Let's see how do they write the code. Okay, there are 2 parts. One part is they are doing the WebSockets. 2 different kind of nodes. This is WebSockets out, which is sending the data to the client side. And this one is accept data, is the WebSocket in. And this part of code is the very simple HTTP GET, and with a template node. This node is kind of the front end JavaScript, including the HTML and also JavaScript. So in here, it's reflecting the web page. You know, they get the data. You know, 2 things. One thing is get the data from the WebSocket out, and also they push a button and then send the commands back to here. So it's a perfectly use case for the Internet of Things. If you click this button, and then the data is going to send it back to here. So we can connect back to the device, and then this is command sent to device, and the data is sent incoming to the IoT platform. Now we change this code a little bit to make it to our usage. We delete this one and connect to WebSocket, and delete this one and this. So in this way, we get instead of get the time data, we will get our IoT data. Okay, and when do the click and then to here. So we also can add the IoT node so that it can send it back to the device. send back to the device. And we can, using the Bluemix, and we can get the device ID. And get the device type. This is command, and this is data. This data, the format is string. Okay, we can send the data back. Let's take a look. All right, successfully deployed. Let's see if we can. Okay, everything has been connected. Let's take a look of the website. Okay, it's already changed. See, it's already changed to the JSON file we get. And if we click this, and to see if the click is come back, and it's come here, and it also is come back to the, oh, we don't have an input yet, so we needed to have our input and to get. All right, so device ID, format, okay, get all. We get deploy. Okay, we get the object come back. So, but anyway, we did a little bit of changes. We can take advantage of these very simple WebSocket examples.